Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic often overlooked but profoundly impactful: organizational context and structure. Many leaders focus on strategy, talent, or market trends, yet an outdated or misaligned structure can silently undermine every effort. It's not just about compliance. It's about creating an environment where your business can truly thrive, innovate, and adapt. We'll explore why your current structure might be hindering progress, and, more importantly, how to transform it into a powerful asset. This session offers practical, actionable insights for leaders like you. Let me tell you about Sarah. Her manufacturing company just had its best quarter in 5 years. Strong orders, revenue soaring. On the surface, a huge success. But beneath that veneer, a hidden crisis was brewing. Customer complaints had tripled, department heads weren't communicating, and their best engineer quit due to excessive approval layers. A key supplier bankruptcy led to a major contract loss. Sarah realized her organizational structure, once effective, had become a maze of bottlenecks, unclear roles, and misaligned incentives. This is a common scenario, and it's a critical wake-up call for many businesses. Today, we'll cover 6 crucial areas to empower you in this transformation. First, we'll discuss why structure truly matters, beyond just meeting ISO standards. Second, we'll break down the 4 core building blocks that define any organizational structure. Third, we'll explore 10 distinct structure types, from traditional hierarchies to agile matrices. Fourth, you'll gain an assessment framework to evaluate your current setup. Fifth, we'll identify the clear warning signs that indicate your structure needs an immediate overhaul. Finally, we'll share real-world case studies, including Sarah's, demonstrating tangible results. Understanding your organizational context is foundational. Most of the management system standards require defining this. Think of it as your company's unique ecosystem, encompassing both internal and external factors that profoundly affect your operations and goals. Internally, this includes your team's skills, available resources, decision-making processes, and strategic objectives. Externally, we consider market trends, regulatory landscapes, economic conditions, and technological advancements. Companies that clearly define and document this context are far more agile. For instance, those with well-understood contexts pivoted to remote operations 40% faster during recent global shifts. It's about knowing your environment to build effectively. Every effective organizational structure is built upon 4 fundamental elements. First, hierarchy, or the chain of command, provides clarity and prevents chaos, though the sweet spot for innovation often lies between 3 to 5 levels. Second, departmentalization, or how work is grouped, can be by function or product, but beware of creating isolated silos. Third, centralization versus decentralization dictates where decisions are made. Most companies need a strategic blend of both. Finally, formalization, the degree of rules and documentation, ensures consistency but can stifle creativity if overdone. Balancing these elements is key. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for organizational structure. The best fit depends entirely on your context and strategy. We'll briefly touch upon 10 common types. You have the traditional hierarchical or pyramid structure, known for clear lines of authority. The functional structure groups by expertise, like marketing or finance. Flat or horizontal structures minimize management layers for agility. The matrix structure combines functional and project-based reporting. We also see divisional structures, often by product or geography, and team-based models that empower cross-functional groups. Each has unique strengths and weaknesses. Let's look at how real companies have leveraged different structures. GE famously used a matrix mastery approach, allowing resources to flow where needed, though it sometimes created reporting complexities. Zappos embraced holacracy, eliminating traditional managers to foster innovation, which required radical commitment. Spotify pioneered its squad model, using small, cross-functional teams to maintain startup energy and move quickly. And Basecamp thrives with a deliberately flat power structure, staying under 60 people with minimal hierarchy for fast decisions, though this limits their scaling capacity. These examples highlight the diverse paths to success. How do you know if your structure is holding you back? There are clear warning signs. If decisions are slow and roles are unclear, you're in a critical state. Even with fast decisions, unclear roles can lead to operational drag, where efforts are duplicated or misdirected. Conversely, if decisions are slow but roles are clear, you might have a clear roles gap. People know what to do, but the process is bogged down. The ideal is fast decisions with clear roles, leading to reactive efficiency. Regularly assessing your decision speed and role clarity is crucial. Transforming your structure requires a systematic approach. First, assess your current reality, map your existing structure, identify bottlenecks, and survey your employees for their insights. Second, document your context, both internal and external factors, aligning with ISO requirements. Third, match structure to strategy. Consider which structure types best support your goals for innovation, consistency, or customer intimacy. Fourth, build in flexibility. Create hybrid roles, schedule regular reviews, and empower your teams to adapt. Finally, align culture and structure. Ensure your new structure reinforces your desired culture, behaviors, and decision-making processes. After a 6-month restructure, Sarah's company saw remarkable improvements. They achieved a 60% increase in faster decisions by reducing management layers, a 40% reduction in customer complaints through clearer ownership, and a 35% increase in employee satisfaction due to enhanced role clarity. This demonstrates the profound impact of a well-designed organizational structure. Is your structure a secret weapon propelling your business forward, or is it a silent killer undermining your potential? We invite you to get expert guidance and contact us to explore how your organization can achieve similar transformative results. See full blog article on msiinternational.com website.